Hello YouTube, Lemmy D91's back again. As you can see, the theft system light stopped flashing. Try to start the car. Start right up. Theft system is the stupidest thing ever. Oh, you see the red light flashing? That's my seatbelt light. I'm just sitting here, so I don't need my seatbelt. As you can see, it's done flashing. What I'm going to do now is reset the computer, which is easy job, reset, reboot, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to do that. That will help out amazingly. And I hope it'll work. I'll show you how to fix the GM theft system. Good night.